Alright guys, so today's work is very similar to yesterday's work. Yesterday I will give you guys the coordinates. Remember two numbers since I have some parentheses and you guys have to plot the points. Now I'm doing it backwards. I give you the points, you give me the coordinates. So the order of the letter doesn't really matter, like which letter goes first. Just list them all. So if I look at N, the coordinates I will write for that one will be -5, -1. Okay, starting from the origin, I went 5 to the left and 1 down. Remember, the first number tells me right or left. The second number tells me up or down. If I go for K, my coordinates are going to be -1, -2. I went 1 to the left and 2 down. Remember, I always start right here, right where these two dark lines intersect. That's what we call the origin. So that's where we start. If I look for L, my coordinates will be +1, +3. Good. What do you guys get for M? Good. 2, 4. And J, what do you guys get? 5, 3. Good. Once again, the order of the letters, you don't have to put them in alphabetical order. Like, it doesn't matter which order you put them. Just list them all. And then write the coordinates. So we have the same thing for the first 10 questions. Anything for the first 10. No? All right, looking at number 11, the graph for number 11 looks a little different. Right, looks a little bit smaller. Because usually the graph that I gave you guys was like that. But now it looks a little bit different because I just gave you guys the top right corner. That's all I gave you guys. Top right corner. And I made sure all my numbers were positive. So like I said, it looks a little bit different, but because I just gave you guys the top right corner. And it's for us to practice on how to plot in our points. Let me plot in K first, and then I'll plot in J. If I plot in K, it says 3 to the right, 5 up. So that's my K. Now for J, interesting for zeros, it says you don't move. So going to the right, don't move. Going up, don't move. That means J is that point. Alright, J is the origin. Remember, the first number tells me right or left, and it says don't move. The second number tells me up or down, and it says don't move. So you are right where you started. Yep. Okay, so it's pretty much like the graph from yesterday, but I'm not giving you the whole graph. I'm just giving you the top right corner. So all of them are positives. Just for us to practice on that. All right. Any questions?